Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to this video. Welcome to this channel. So today I'm going to introduce you this very useful app which is called 21 Days. Before actually getting to the app, let me tell you about something about it. So, as I know, most of the scientists have been saying this. If you want to quit consuming sugar, you have to try it for 21 days and your brain will actually forget about how it tastes and the addiction that you have towards it will be gone. This is what they're saying. Because do you know how I know that? I used to be dieting every time in my life, every day. I'm starting a new diet. But 21 days, I have actually tried it, and it's the one that helped me the most. And this app is actually started from that point. So let's actually look at what they're offering us and see if it's useful and if it's the way that we can, if it's that effective. So let's go. As you can see, I have already got in. This is me. No, you don't get to choose your icon profile, but it's still okay. We have our wallpaper here, which we can change. Let's see, what do we have? We can go with this. These ones are locked because we have just started. You can go with anything you want from here. I'm not gonna change it for now. They also have their premium, so maybe you want to check it out. We can share this app with our friends, so that's another good thing. If it's useful, then why not share it? And we can contact them, and we have our settings that they have their dark mode, which is amazing. Using it at night, and when you hit it back, you see, I like dark mode. You can you can go to notifications tab and actually turn on or turn off the things that you want. Let's assume they are sending you notification at 8:30. You can actually change that to, let's assume, 12:30, or you can just turn it on, you know. So, and from here we have their idioms. We're gonna go with, yes, by the way, they have English, Portuguese, Spanish, and French. Let's go with English. And they have their hidden challenges. Let's look at them. Of course, we're gonna look at the real challenges, but I guess they didn't put anything, or we're putting them. Let's see. We can choose our avatar from here, and it's fun if you ask me. I think I'm more of a this or that. And do I have that kind of hair? I just don't have any hair right now. And you might be wondering, how am I gonna get credits to choose these ones? I will show you that one too. As you can see, you can play with it. It's amazing. I love it. You can change the dress. Let's just make it okay. Now let's go back. And yes, I'm changed. I have a long hair. So let's go. Good afternoon, Daria. Do one thing that every day that scares you. Let's see what they have. Kindness. Kindness does not scares me at all. Positive affirmations. It does a bit. Mental wellness. Fix your sleep schedule. Home workout, self-care, declutter, study, gratitude, productivity. We have happiness, no junk food, and social media detox. So I want to go with actually no junk food. So let's see what they're saying. Start with baby steps for a healthy lifestyle and get rid of all the junk food during these 21 days. Do you want to start this challenge? Let's go. So what we're gonna do, I guess, is since this is our first day, we can, as you can see, we have our notification. We can turn it on and tell this app to remind us every day at 12:30. That's the time I wake up most of the time. And we can actually hide this. Maybe we don't want other people to see the challenges that we're going through, because sometimes if the other people know, they might ask you, oh, how is it going? And we have that kind of pressure on us where it's like you have to do good, not for just for yourself, but for the others that they know, or if you fail they will know, stuff like that. But just because of that we can hide it. Yes, hide this challenge. And we're, as you can see, we don't have it in our main feed right now, but we're gonna find it from this hamburger menu. And from settings, we will go to hidden challenges, which is right here. Let's go back. And also, yes, we can go with home workout, self-care, whatever we want to. But before that, let's click this plus. So we're now they're gonna show us a little tutorial. Okay, let's go. For here, if we want an icon, we're gonna choose their icon. From there we're gonna, okay, challenge title, description. Okay, all right. And it's very helpful actually. You don't even need to figure out what to do because it's just showing you what to do. So I would like to start a challenge because they don't have this one. For example, stop smoking, let's assume. And let's see what kind of icons we have here. Didn't think it would be like this. Maybe here I can find a cigarette. I couldn't. Yes, I found it. No, but I accidentally touched create and it just, where it is? Where are you? I guess it's, yeah. We didn't, I wasn't able to. Let's go, let me say what. Okay, at least maybe you have just forgot to, do it and you just clicked create. You have the option to edit it actually. Yes, we can add in description. Maybe in day one we want it to be smoke only one cigarette, and then we're gonna let's put like only one. Do you want to apply the same challenge for the, no, I don't want to, because in the day 2 I'm gonna say 0. In the day 3 I'm gonna say 0 cigarettes, but in the day 4 I will give myself a 1 cigarette. We don't have to add anything to the rest. We don't even have to add anything here too, but I just did. And here let me put something, you can stop smoking. Let's put some of that. Okay, and let's update it. We have it right here. As you can see, it looks like we have started it because I just did it right now. And as you can see, maybe you want to be cheating on this app, but you can't because no permission. You don't have the permission to leave the challenge, come back on day 2 because it doesn't let you unless 24 hours is gone. So you can also restart, turn on your notifications from here. You can share it with your friends, you can delete it, or you can restart it. Let's assume that you just had this, you were supposed to not smoke any of them, but you did. So what you're gonna do, you're not gonna give up and you're just gonna hit restart again. So I actually liked it. It's a bit simple, the interface, but I think things can get better. And when we click here, as you can see, we don't have any credits when it comes to that. If you want to know how to have credits, we're gonna go here. Oh, sorry. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click profile, and we have tasks here. And when we do that, when we we're gonna click to collect, because I already started a new challenge. I took a look at the feed. I created my own challenge, and now, as you can see, I am earning some coins. So it was simple, and you can also do other tasks so you can have more coins, and then you can go to your shopping and change your hair and all that. So I liked it. I'm pretty sure you guys will like it. Give it a chance. So thank you for watching. If you like this video and found it helpful, go hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so we can see each other in my other videos. So thank you guys for watching one more time, and see you guys in my next video.